Hey, great, you found us. Thanks for tuning in. This is Not Good at Normal. Hello, welcome. This is T with Not Good at Normal, and we are going to do a resin pour. We're going to make a couple of bookmarks and a very fantastic black coffin. Now with this part, the lid, I may end up putting a little skeleton in right in the center. Maybe just like a skeletal picture, or I'm not sure. But anyway, I know I'm going to make a black coffin and a couple of bookmarks, and we'll see if we have any left. Maybe make a few more of some of these. So maybe, we'll see. So let's get started on mixing that resin. So I start with part A because, I don't know, I guess A comes before B, but I don't think it really matters. I'm not sure. And these little silicone cups are really awesome, but you can't really see the lines. I have two different kinds, and they're both like that. So I had to go ahead and mark them so that I could see where I'm going with it. So I'm going to do 50 of each. And I just have a line at the 50 because it wasn't marked. It just said 40, 60, 80, 100. So I just went ahead and made my line at where I wanted, well, where it is supposed to be. So we're at 40 now, and we want to go up to the 50. Get up to 100, come on. They pour a little differently also, both of these. And I always have more of a B left in the bottles than A. I think because A is so much heavier, and they're filled by volume. So yeah, so when I'm finished with this set, I will have some B left. Oop, there you go. Okay, so went ahead and poured it in here and started stirring, because who wants to watch 4 minutes of stirring, right? Well, 3.5, whatever. There's an awful lot of bubbles in this batch. It's hard to do without covering the camera. Pour some in here, and then we'll put our black into it. Okay. These things are so tiny. Now, I may or may not put this. Do I want to put this guy in the lid? Face down. You know, let's go ahead and try it. We'll go ahead and put this in there first. No, you know what? If I do that, I'll have to put a little bit of resin down and then put that on it. So that way it's in there and secure, but it's not going to be black, because then you won't be able to see the little guy's face. So let's see what happens. But I don't want a big blob of clear either right there. So we're wigging this, people. If it works, it works. Yay. If not, then I just have another planter for myself. All right, let's see what happens with this guy. Kind of put him right in the middle there. Boom, boom. All right, let's go. It's go time. Let's do this. Ooh, it's very dark. Yeah, I like. All right, stir this up a little more at the back here. Yeah, see, you see that it's kind of lightened up. Can you see how? I will go over the top in a second with the camera so you can see more of this. Nice, I like. I like it. All right. Whoops. Need the second one. We're probably going to need even more than just these two, because yeah, this takes a lot. Yep, we're going to need more. Whee! Well, then I will mix up some more and move the cat out of this room, and then be right back. Okay, let's see if we can get more aerial view. and see if, is that in focus? I will pour with one hand and hold the camera with the other. How's that? Well, that's a nice black. Let us hope that we have enough. I would prefer not to make any more black. Maybe have enough for the bit of scary bookmarks I'm going to make. Here is one of the bookmarks that I made that we didn't get to see what it was. So anyone who knows me or sees anything, there's usually something Wizard of Oz in my room, in where I'm doing all of this. And if it's not the Wizard of Oz, then obviously it's Wicked. Okay, so we also did a second one, and this one is a double-sided one. So on this side, I guess good for Halloween, or again, Halloween is all year long for me. So this one has a bat and time flies on this side, and on this side it has a cool black cat and a full moon. So that's pretty cool. I mean, the casket, well, okay, so I recently learned the difference between caskets and coffins. Coffins have this shape, very simple, not ornate, and then caskets have like the more square shape or rectangle, human body type shape, and they can be like decorated and all that kind of stuff. So I thought that was fascinating. And again, this is one of the harder ones to open or unmold, reveal, so I'm trying to stay within the camera range. There we are. Oh my. Yes, I knew I would love this. Sweet. This baby is black. That's awesome. All right, the lid of this, I went ahead and put the skeletal thingy in there, and I'm not sure I'm going to be happy with it. So we will see. And of course, I couldn't kill that little group of bubbles. It kind of drives me crazy, but that's okay. Okay, so here we are. That is a skeleton face. You can't really see it because the black bled through the clear. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. I mean, it's kind of cool and creepy because it's kind of hidden. So, I mean, you know, it's cool. I'm down with that. It's cool. Anyway, coffins are very fun to make. Is that in focus? Coffins are super cool, fun to make. And then like gravestones, headstones, tombstones, whatever you want to call them. So many different terminology. I'm in this couple of cemetery groups on Facebook, and there's just, I mean, you learn a lot. But I'm in them just for the history because I love history. And, yeah, a little bit of macabre is cool. But anyway, so that's what we have revealed. Maybe I could even, you know, probably cover this again with one of the larger pieces of little resin things. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'll live with it for a little while. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching Not Good at Normal. Be sure and check out the blog, notgoodatnormal.com, all the social media, and like and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite thing was, and or maybe if you have any thoughts as to what I could do with that, or if you even think that's kind of cool just the way it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.